Kid Zone with Trishy. Big snowman, little snowman. Happy sister, sad sister.
Aw.
At first, Hans seems nice. Elsa runs away. She makes the snow and ice. Anna gets on her horse. Ride, Anna, ride. Anna falls off. It's cold outside. Anna meets Kristoff.
Hello.
His reindeer is Sven. Kristoff goes in, then out again. Anna and Kristoff go, go, go. Sven climbs fast. Anna climbs slow. Elsa has a palace. Anna enters first. Kristoff enters last. Elsa freezes Anna with an icy blast. Cold Olaf dreams of the hot, hot sun. Little snowman, big snowman, run, run, run. Brr, Anna is freezing. She is worried too. She asks a troll what to do. Watch out! Hans attacks. Anna is in front. Elsa is in back. Winter ends. Summer starts. Anna's act of love has thawed her frozen heart. Olaf apart. Sisters together. Elsa, Anna, and Olaf. Friends forever.